Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to import and export WordPress posts and articles. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the WordPress website. At the top right corner, click the Login button. Once inside your dashboard, look at the menu on the left and click on Tools. In this section, you will find options for managing your site. To import posts or articles, click on Import, then select the WordPress option. Here, you can choose Import Content Only to bring in posts and articles without extra data. Upload your export file by dragging and dropping it into the window or selecting it from your computer. To export content, go back to Tools and click Export. Select the features you want, then confirm. An XML file will be generated and downloaded, which you can later use for importing. So that's basically how you can import and export WordPress posts and articles. That's it for this video. Thanks.